Hello students, this is Sonana and today I am going to explain you the last page of our chapter Diversity and Discrimination. Recap. Yesterday we discussed about discrimination means when we treat someone badly because of some false opinion about him. Then gender inequality means जब हम मेल और फीमेल में डिफरेंस करते हैं. And last, economic inequality means जब lack of opportunities and lack of education के कारण income में difference होता है. Today's topic I want to explain you about constitution and provisions. First one is constitution. Constitution is a book in which all the rules and regulations of the country are mentioned. Provisions are those steps जो हमारे constitution में include हैं किसी भी situation को deal करने के लिए. स्टूडेंट्स जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा कि पीपल वर डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड इन आवर कंट्री, सो इन ऑर्डर टू रिमूव दिस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट द लो क्लास पीपल सम प्रोविजंस हैव बीन मेड इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जिसमें सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया गॉट देयर राइट्स विच आर कॉल्ड फंडामेंटल राइट्स. फर्स्ट वी हैव right to equality. In this right, every Indian citizen is supposed to get equal opportunity, चाहे opportunity education में हो, अपना standard increase करने के लिए हो, and to earn a living with respect. So according to this right, all citizens are equal in the eyes of a law. Second, we have right to freedom. In this right, the citizen of India can get assembled anywhere without any weapon. They can form their own group. They can settle in any state of India. They can travel in any part of India, etc. For example, if anyone wants to form a group or association, then he must follow some government restrictions. Third, we have right against exploitation. Exploitation means जब हम किसी का unfair way में benefit उठाते हैं. In this, every citizen of a country has a right not to be exploited. इस right के according अब कोई भी किसी को exploit नहीं कर सकता, especially low class people को. इसमें it is strictly mentioned that nobody can force anyone to do any job or beg in any form. It also prohibits means रोकना, कि कोई भी पर्सन अपने पास किसी चाइल्ड को काम करने के लिए नहीं रख सकता if the child is below 14 years of age. Then we have right to freedom of religion. In this, लोगों को अपनी choice का religion follow करने का right दिया गया है. Now they can celebrate festival in the manner they wish to. They can choose and speak language they are comfortable with. By this right, our country India is called a secular country, जहाँ पर लोग अपनी choice के religion को practice कर सकते हैं. Then right to culture and education. Students, we all know that India has diversity in culture, religions, etc. So this right protect and save all the cultures. And all the citizens of a country, चाहे वो किसी भी community का हो, किसी भी religion का हो, उसे पूरा right है that he can start and run educational institution of their choice, and person can take admission in any college or school. We have right to constitutional remedies. Students, we have discussed here 5 rights. और अगर इन 5 rights में से किसी भी right को किसी person की harm पहुंचता है, then that person can approach directly to Supreme Court. With this, we have finished our chapter and all the in-between question answers of this page. Your solved book exercise and question answers will be provided to you on your school website.